Zaživel je 22. folklorni festival Folkart, ki predstavlja osrednji dogodek Festivala Lent. Letos bodo v Dravi zaplesale folklorne skupine iz Madžarske, Indonezije, Makedonije, Bosne in Hercegovine, Kanade in Slovenije. Največ pozornosti pa so s svojimi jeznimi pogledi med obiskovalci pritegovali plesalci iz Nove Zelandije.
This is Māori makeup because we do many genres. We also do Samoan and Cook Island dancing. We can't put on the Māori moko. So yeah, because we have fast changes and we have to wipe it off and put more makeup on. So that's why we don't have the full moko on.
In kaj nosi vsaka prava Maorka?
This is a black skirt, just an ordinary black skirt with a
We know a black skirt.
A traditional Māori skirt is a piu-piu. And then a bodice is more contemporized, but usually it's woven. But for easy washing for us to do, because we're always traveling, we use cotton. And this is the meo haka movement, that's a pukana for the men. With the eyes, widen of your eyes, you want to see the widen of his eyes. And the tongue, very angry. And the pukana for the women. So you see my eyes?
Kanado letos predstavljajo plesalci in njihove filipinske manjšine.
We have different suites that portray different islands in the Philippines. So we have like 4 suites that we learn now. We have rural, which we are displaying tonight. We have Muslim, Spanish, and tribal.
Ob odru je stalo simpatično indonezijsko dekle s celim kupom cvetja na glavi.
It's like a gift for God. Yes, it's like a giving for God. So thanks for God everything He gave. Yeah.
Okay, this is traditional costume from Indonesia. Indonesia have many culture, and it's some of the costume from West Sumatra, and the hat is like the roof of the house in Sumatra.
Good evening, dobre večer. The Hungarian folk dances differ a lot from the surrounding dances. We don't have, or we have many little circle dances that are more like couple dances, and you will also see tonight the very famous lads dance or men's dance when the men are solo dancing.
Da bi bolje spoznali madžarsko narodno nošo, potrebujemo živi model. Hungarian girl. We need a Hungarian girl.
Ági. Ide húszon egy picit. Nem kell beszélni. Agnes. So,
hello Agnes, we like what you're wearing.
This part of the dress is the most ornamented part because it covers the womb.
And so it's very nice.
Yes, so the fertility.
Nešteta podkrila, čipke, telovnik, tetrak v laseh pa so še ostali prepoznavni deli madžarske narodne noše.
Thank you Slovenia. First of all, sziasztok. Nagyon reméljük, hogy majd találkozunk otthon is. Thank you. And well, I'm very sorry about the goal of Donovan.
Okay.